Imagine waking up every morning with the freedom to do whatever you want, whenever you want. Imagine living a life where money is no longer a concern, but a tool that allows you to create, explore, and impact the world. Sounds like a dream, right? Well, it's not just a dream. It's a reality for some of the most successful billionaires on this planet. Today I'm going to reveal the 8 secrets that these billionaires use to build their empires and achieve financial abundance. Stick around because these insights could change your life forever. Before we dive in, I want you to get involved. Every time I mention a key action point, I want you to comment it below. Let's see who's really paying attention and ready to take action. Are you ready? Let's get started. Our first secret is probably the most crucial one: mastering the mindset. Billionaires think differently. They cultivate a mindset of abundance, where opportunities are endless and problems are just puzzles waiting to be solved. Jeff Bezos once said, "You have to be willing to be misunderstood if you're going to innovate." Bezos's willingness to be misunderstood stems from a mindset that embraces risk and sees failure as a stepping stone to success. So, here's your first action point. Comment abundance mindset below if you're ready to start thinking like a billionaire. Secret number 2, relentless learning. Warren Buffett reads 500 pages a day. Bill Gates reads about 50 books a year. Learning is the cornerstone of growth and innovation. Warren Buffett said, "The more you learn, the more you'll earn." So here's what I want you to do. Comment lifelong learner below. This is your commitment to never stop learning. Read books, take courses, attend seminars, invest in yourself. Next up, secret number 3, networking and relationships. It's not just what you know, but who you know. Successful billionaires build strong networks. They understand the value of connections and leverage relationships to create new opportunities. Richard Branson said, "Surround yourself with people who challenge you, teach you, and push you to be your best self." Networking isn't about collecting contacts, it's about planting relationships. So comment Power Network below if you're ready to start building meaningful connections. Secret number 4, vision and passion. Billionaires have a clear vision and they are passionate about their goals. They know exactly what they want to achieve and why they want to achieve it. Elon Musk said, "When something is important enough, you do it even if the odds are not in your favor." Musk's vision for SpaceX wasn't just to create a successful company, but to make life multi-planetary. That's passion with a purpose. Comment visionary below if you're ready to define your vision and pursue it with passion. Secret number 6, innovation and creativity. Billionaires are innovators. They think outside the box and are constantly coming up with new ideas. Steve Jobs said, "Innovation distinguishes between a leader and a follower." Jobs didn't just create products, he created experiences. His innovative thinking changed the world. Comment innovator below if you're ready to embrace creativity and drive innovation. Secret number 7, persistence and resilience. Billionaires don't give up. They face failures and setbacks, but they persist. They are resilient in the face of challenges. Jack Ma said, "If you don't give up, you still have a chance. Giving up is the greatest failure." Jack Ma faced countless rejections before founding Alibaba, now one of the largest e-commerce platforms in the world. Comment resilient warrior below if you're committed to persisting no matter what. And finally, secret number 8, giving back. Billionaires understand the importance of giving back. They use their wealth to make a positive impact on the world. Bill Gates said, "We have the chance to change the world for the better, and it's a responsibility we all share." Gates has donated billions to charitable causes, showing that true wealth isn't just about what you accumulate, but how you use it to make a difference. Comment generous giver below if you're ready to give back and make an impact. So there you have it, the 8 secrets of billionaires to have money in abundance. Mastering the mindset, relentless learning, networking and relationships, vision and passion, financial literacy, innovation and creativity, persistence and resilience, and giving back. Each of these secrets holds the power to transform your life. But remember, knowledge without action is meaningless. So take these insights, apply them to your life, and watch as you create your own path to financial abundance. If you found value in this video, make sure to like, share, and subscribe. And don't forget to hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Comment below with your action words, and let's start a conversation on how we can all grow together. Until next time, stay inspired and keep hustling.